Guys, it's Daijir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, today we are going to be doing a summer inspired makeup tutorial. So it is so freaking hot outside. I don't know where you live, but where I live it's like 90 degrees and it's so hot. So I was like, what better way to commemorate summer than doing a cute glam summer inspired makeup tutorial. I know I've been away for like a week or so, but I'm back now and ready to get these tutorials out. So if you guys want to see my glam summer inspired makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. I'm literally like sweating my edges out. First things first, we're gonna prime our eyes with some concealer, and this is the Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer. And I like to set my concealer with a pressed powder. And the palette that we're going to be using today is the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I love this palette, especially for like summer looks, because we have an orange, a yellow, like a nice burnt brown. We also have this like pinky reddish color. So like it's giving sunset, it's giving summer, it's giving sun. I just really like this palette. So first we're going to take the yellow from that palette and just put that into the crease and just blend that out. And now on a Morphe M504 brush, we're going to take that orange shade and we're just going to blend it into the crease as well, but lower than where we put that yellow shade. And this is just going to create a nice sunny gradient. And now on a M433 brush, we're going to take that reddish pink shade and we're just going to put it on the outer corner. Also going to put it on the inner corner. And now in the middle of the lid, we're just going to take that orange shade and just pop that in the middle. Okay. We're going to clean this up a little bit. So we're just going to take some concealer and we're just going to do like a straight line, kind of where we would put eyeliner. And blend that down so it just creates like a very nice sharp line. And now we're going to do a small wing eyeliner. Gorgeous. Okay. So I'm going to go off camera and do my other eye, and then I'll come back with you guys to do the base and like my foundation and all that good stuff. Okay, so I did my other eye off camera. Now it's time for my foundation. So I already did some primer. Now for foundation, I'm going to take the Rimmel London Stay Matte Full Coverage Foundation. Okay, and now for cream bronzing, we're going to take this ABH contour stick in the shade Espresso. And now for under eye concealer, we're going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C6. Now I'm going to set under my eyes with a powder puff in the Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder. Now for bronzer, we're going to take this CoverGirl Clean Fresh Pressed Powder in the shade Dark Ebony. For blush, we're going to take the Saharian Blush Volume 2 palette, and we're going to take Lena and Tao. We're going to take a pencil brush, and we're going to take the orange shade from the Zulu palette and just pop that right under the eye. And then we're going to take that reddish pink shade and put it on the outer corner and the inner corner. So basically just matching what we did on the top. Okay, now I'm gonna go off camera again, put on a lash, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished summer inspired makeup look. I love it so much. I feel like it's giving like sun, it's giving sunny, it's giving sunset, and yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be linked down below for your convenience. It'll also be on the screen right here. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, because I'm trying to reach, at this point I feel like I should lower it to like 250, but what my goal was 500 subscribers by the end of the year, but I don't know why it's so hard to like grow subscribers. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.